In today's tutorial, you will learn how to vectorize text in Adobe Illustrator. If you are new to this concept, don't worry, I will walk you through everything step by step. So what does vectorizing text mean? Actually, vectorizing text involves converting your text into vector shapes. This will allow you to edit the text like any other vector graphic. Depending on how your text was created, there are different methods to vectorize text in Adobe Illustrator. In this video, I will cover 3 different methods to vectorize text in Adobe Illustrator. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to confidently apply the method that suits your needs best. Method number 1 is the most common method for vectorizing text. Before we start, I strongly recommend duplicating your text layer. Once you convert text to outlines, it's no longer editable as live text, meaning you cannot change the font or typeface. Duplicating your text ensures you have a backup in case you need to make changes later. Here is how to do it. Select the text you want to vectorize, right-click on the selected text and choose Create Outlines from the context menu. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Shift-Ctrl-O on Windows or Shift-Command-O on Mac to outline the text. Once the text is outlined, it's no longer live text. It becomes a vector shape. You will notice anchor points around the text if you select it with the direct selection tool. These anchor points allow you to edit each part of the text as you would with any vector shape. This method is quick and efficient, making it perfect for type text that does not require further adjustment to font or style. If you have used brushes to create text in Illustrator, the text is technically already vectorized because brushes use path and strokes. However, strokes are not the same as shapes, so to truly vectorize the text, you will need to vector those strokes into shapes. So select the brush-based text, go to top menu and click Object, Path, Outline Stroke. This converts the strokes into shapes, but you will notice that overlapping shapes may appear where strokes intersect. To clean up these overlaps, select all the outline shapes, use the Shape Builder tool, then draw through the overlapping areas to merge them into single unified shape. After cleaning up the overlaps, you will have perfectly vectorized text. This method is ideal for custom or artistic text designs created using brushes. Now, if you want to vectorize your handwritten text or sketches, this method is for you. Here is how to do it. Start by scanning your handwritten text or taking a clear photo of it. Make sure the handwriting is well defined and easy to see. Open the scanned image or photo in Adobe Illustrator. Now use the pen tool to trace your handwriting. This step requires some patience, especially if you are new to the pen tool. If you are not familiar with how it works, check out my in-depth pen tool tutorial where I share tips for mastering this essential tool. As you trace, ensure that each letter forms a close path. This is crucial for editing and filling your text layer. Once the tracing is complete, you can finalize the design using the Shape Builder tool to clean up overlapping areas and combine paths where necessary. Finally, add fill colors to your vectorized handwritten text to complete the process. This method gives you full control over the vectorization process, allowing you to preserve the unique qualities of your handwriting. I hope this video has helped you learn how to vectorize text in Adobe Illustrator. To recap, here is how to decide which method to use. If you are working with type text, method 1 means converting it to outline is the way to go. For text created using brushes, method 2 outlining strokes and cleaning with the Shape Builder tool works best. If you are vectorizing handwritten text, method 3 tracing with the pen tool is your go-to method. Each approach has its unique advantage, so choose the one that fits your project. I hope this tutorial has made the process of vectorizing text in Adobe Illustrator clear and simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will not miss any of our upcoming Illustrator tips, tricks and tutorials. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.